Howdy all, once again, it's Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com, and here comes the cold front. Looks like a squall line of snow showers and probably some mixture of sleet and snow in the front end. It's quickly moving off to the southeast, or east rather, punching straight east basically. Looks like almost like a bow echo, if you would. Low pressure is right about here, and it's moving off to the east-northeast. So, uh, State College last hour reported some heavy snow, burst of snow probably in Williamsport. This will head towards Scranton, Allentown, and Reading will get in on this first. Looks like the leading edge is rain, but it'll be interesting to see what happens. 38 degrees right now here in Media with a 22-degree dew point. Probably lots of wind energy with this as it blasts through. Later on, maybe a quick dusting or zero point 0.2 to zero point 0.5 in this area. We'll see what's left as it comes toward the I-95 corridor. It is moving rapidly to the east. Looks like I would estimate probably 35, 45 miles per hour moving to the east. So at that rate, it's coming up on 9 o'clock now. This should be over top of the Philadelphia area probably by 10:30, 11 o'clock. Could even be an isolated rumble of thunder. I mean, this looks pretty intense. The dynamics are pretty such that this is a pretty wound up little system moving off to the east-northeast here. Let's take a closer look here. Cold air coming in behind at 4 below International Falls. The cold air is very short-lived. It will come sweeping in from the west and then bounce back off to the north, and this is the warm air that's just waiting in the wings for Tuesday and Wednesday with temperatures near 60 degrees, if not eclipsing 60 degrees by Wednesday in the Philadelphia region. And then we'll see what happens next weekend with the perhaps a storm running up to about this position here, transferring its energy off to the coast, and we'll see what happens. And the key to that is going to be what happens with this cold air up here in Alaska. 51 degrees below zero last few hours in Fairbanks now has risen to 40 below zero. Pressures up in this area are fairly low, 2963 and 2971. So that does mean that the cold air is on the move. And with the ridge in the Pacific maybe going to tap some of this, we'll see if this starts spilling down off the west side of Hudson Bay toward the United States, and maybe we can get some cold air to wait in the wings for a storm by the weekend. So we'll see what happens. Getting back again, pretty intense low pressure now moving toward the east-northeast. Pretty good squall line with this cold front that will come through. Look out for gusty winds, maybe a burst of heavy snow for about 10, 15 minutes, and then it's out of here. Maybe 0.2 to 0.5 inches of snow, a dusting, so be careful on the roads. It might make things slick, especially north and west toward the Allentown, Reading, and Harrisburg area up towards Scranton. We'll see again how much of this gets into the 5-county area. It'll be certainly a nowcasting event, as that's what this is. This is Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com, and be on the lookout for some snowflakes tonight. This looks pretty impressive. Have a good night.